Microeconomics is the study of how individuals and small groups, such as households or small businesses, spend money, what they buy, and how they make decisions in their daily lives. For example, if you go to a store and want to buy a chocolate bar, but you only have $10 and the chocolate costs $12, you will decide what to buy based on the money you have. There may be other cheaper chocolates or different snacks available at the same store. Microeconomics studies these kinds of choices and decisions. Prices are also an important factor. For example, if the price of the chocolate drops from $12 to $10, more people might buy it. Microeconomics looks at how people respond to such price changes. It also considers how a person or business can spend less while becoming more efficient. Microeconomics focuses on understanding the decisions of individuals and small groups and how these decisions affect the market. Prices, supply and demand, profit making, and the efficient use of resources are all part of microeconomics. In short, microeconomics examines how a person or household can make the best choices with limited resources.